Hello everyone! I'm excited to be back here at Infinite Towers, DMCI Homes project na located along Aurora Boulevard, walking distance to Anonas Station and the soon Metro Manila subway. This project is ready for occupancy na kaya may chance tayo na i-visit later ang amenities and facilities of Infinite Towers. However, sold out na po ang Infinite Towers. But ang good news, merong project ang DMCI Homes beside Infinite Towers, ang The Oriana.
Kaya kung ang hanap mo ay investment in this location na within transit-oriented development, please join me in my presentation. My name is Jocelyn A. Costillas, DMCI Home Senior Sales Manager. Welcome to my YouTube channel, My DMCI Homes Journey.
The Oriana is highly accessible to prestigious schools, malls, business centers, and transportation hubs. Kaya masasabi natin na ang The Oriana is within a transit-oriented development. What is this transit-oriented development all about? This refers to the designs and development of compact, walkable, and mixed-use communities centered around high-quality public transit systems such as trains. These developments aim to create neighborhoods where residents can easily access public transportation, reducing the reliance on cars and promoting more sustainable living. The Oriana offers an unbeatable location malapit sa dalawang LRT2 stations, Anonas and Katipunan, plus the MRT Cubao station connecting you to various MRT lines, making it easy to travel around the metro. Living in a transit-oriented development like the Oriana saves your time and money. You'll be just a short train ride away from different parts of the city and be connected to major highways and roads. If you plan naman to get a unit for rental purposes para sa passive income once turned over na, the Oriana will definitely give you an increasing rental yield each year. The area's growth and connectivity will boost property value and rental income over time. Living at the Oriana also means you're close to prestigious universities like Ateneo de Manila University, Miriam College, and the University of the Philippines, Diliman. Plus, you'll have an easy access to Gateway Mall, the Araneta Center, and more. Alam naman natin that Quezon City is perfect for starting family. Besides top universities, malapit din ang The Oriana sa hospitals like the World City Medical Center, Quirino Medical Center, and St. Luke's Medical Center, making The Oriana by DMCI Homes perfect for your investment. Kaya without further ado, let me introduce the Oriana. It has two towers, North and South Tower, and with a total area of 9,314 square meters. The Oriana offers bigger balcony windows and doors and glass railings, bigger unit sizes, and each unit comes with a provision for split-type aircon. The North Tower will be ready for occupancy in April 2026 and the South Tower naman in November 2027. Available units range from studio to 3-bedroom units, and DMCI Homes has just released the remaining inventories on the lower floor of the South Tower. As per promo payment term, North Tower offers 15% down payment with a 2% discount and the 85% balance and the closing fee to be settled in April 2026 either through cash payment or financing. South Tower also offers 15% down payment with 3% discount that is applicable to 2-bedroom units only. Here's the sample computation for your reference. Unit price of 2-bedroom starts at 7,420,000, less the promo discount 3%, which is equivalent to 222,600. Price of the unit then becomes 7,192,400. 15% down payment is equivalent to 1,079,610, less 20,000 reservation fee, then net down payment becomes 1,059,610. This down payment is payable until October 2027, kaya ang monthly lang sa unit ay nasa 26,490 pesos only. The balance 85% and the closing fee is payable in November 2027 pa, either through cash or financing. Please note also that during down payment period, client can make an advance payment para mabawasan ang balance na nakadue for bank financing or cash payment in November 2027. All payables made during down payment is zero interest. And that's all for today's video. I hope you won't miss the opportunity to invest in a unit at the Oriana, a transit-oriented development by DMCI Homes. Thank you, and please subscribe to my YouTube channel, My DMCI Homes Journey by Jocelyn A. Costillas. Bye!